In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use coupons in GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a coupon, control when it can be used, and limit how many times customers can redeem it. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is your main starting area inside the platform. From here, we're going to move into the payments section because coupons are managed alongside your invoices, products, and offers. Once you're on the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Payments and click on it. This will open up the Payments dashboard. On the menu inside Payments, find and click on Coupons. This will take you to a page where you can see any existing coupons you've created, and more importantly, where you can add new ones. Now, to create a new coupon, click on the Create Coupon button. This opens the coupon configuration screen where we'll set up all the details. Start by clicking into the coupon name field and entering a clear, descriptive name. This name is mostly for your internal use, so choose something that helps you recognize the campaign or promotion it belongs to. Next, click into the coupon code field and type in the actual code your customers will enter at checkout. You can make this something memorable, like a short word or phrase related to your promotion. If you don't want to come up with a code yourself, you can also click on Generate and let GoHighLevel create one for you automatically. After that, click on the drop-down under Coupon Type. Here you'll choose whether this is a percentage-based coupon or a fixed amount coupon. Select percentage if you want to offer, for example, 10% off, or choose fixed if you want a set dollar or currency amount off the price. Once you've chosen the type, click into the discount field and enter the specific value. For a percentage coupon, that might be something like 10 or 25. For a fixed coupon, type the exact amount you want to discount. Now set the schedule for when this coupon is valid. Click into the start date field and select the date you want the coupon to become active. Then click into the end date field and choose the date you want the promotion to stop. Below the dates, you can refine this even more by adding start and end times. Click into the start time field and choose the time the coupon should begin working, then do the same for the end time so it stops at exactly the time you decide. This is especially helpful for limited time or flash promotions. Next, you'll see an option to limit the total number of times the coupon can be redeemed. Click the checkbox to enable this and then set the total limit. Often, setting this to a low number, like 1, works well if you want to keep the offer exclusive or run a small test. Below that, you can choose to limit the coupon to selected products or offers. If you want the discount to apply only to specific items, click on the option to limit the coupon, then select the products or offers you want it to work with. If you leave this unchecked, the coupon may apply more broadly, depending on your setup. You'll also see a checkbox labeled something like Limit to 1 use per customer. Click this if you want each customer to be able to redeem the coupon only once, even if the total redemption limit is higher. This is a great way to prevent people from repeatedly using the same discount. Once you've gone through all these settings, double check your coupon name, code, discount amount, dates, times, and limits to make sure everything looks right. When you're happy with the configuration, click on Create to save the coupon. Your new coupon is now ready to use inside GoHighLevel and can be applied to your funnels, checkouts, or offers.